Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So Joe brought us his Road Glide Ultra. So Joe had been to a couple of shops before. He let a shop do the work, ended up going with a full Rockford setup, went with the 10-inch drop-in Rockford saddlebag woofers. He was looking for a very specific sound, and this equipment just didn't do it for him. He had warned the shop beforehand that he wanted it done a certain way. They even told him the configuration that he wanted wasn't available through Rockford. He said, it's not true. I've seen it done before. The shop called Rockford, and they were able to put it together for him the way he asked for. He knew going in that the setup was going to be underpowered and he wasn't going to get the output that he wanted, and he was right. So he decided to give us a shot. He brought the bike down, left us the bike for a week. We ended up doing what's basically our stage 3 high power, but we kept the Rockford drop-in woofers, which is something we do a lot. First of all, the kit's expensive. It's almost $3,000, so I don't want to see clients waste their money. Plus, the reason you don't get a lot of bass with the Rockford setup is they're only running about 2 to 250 watts per side. Some would argue that the kit does 400 watts per side. It doesn't. You can look back at the video. We amp dynoed the amplifier. We tested the AC voltage. That amplifier does not produce 800 watts. But that's neither here nor there. So we built a custom wire harness, kept the drop-in woofers. We upgraded the speakers to Cicada speakers. So we went with Cicadas in the upper fairing, lower fairing, and then we went with the Hertz Sx 165 and the Torpack pods, and kept the Rockford drop-in 10-inch woofers. This is what made the really big sound difference. We added a DSP. We ran a Sound Digital 1600.1 to the Rockford drop-in subwoofers on a proper tune. Yes, they can handle the power. And even if he blows them up, we have a woofer that we upgrade to in the same enclosures. For the other speakers, we went with a Sound Digital 800.4. So we're running 800.4, 1600.1, everything fits in the fairing. And custom NVS audio, wire harness to make everything plug and play, serviceable, saddlebags still come off. Bike sounds really, really good. He's happy, we're happy. Check out the build.
After the party, it's the Waffle House. If you ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Where people don't dance, all they do is this. And after the original, you know what it is. Remix, it had to go down. I got something else to tell you about the new Motown. Where people don't visit, they move out here. And ain't no telling who you might see up in Lenox Square. I don't know about you, but I miss the Freak Nick. Cause that's when my city used to be real sick. People from up all the cities used to drive for miles just to come and get a taste of this ATL style. I'm the MVP, most ballin'est player. Make my own moves, call me the mayor. Monday night, you know things change.
As you grow older, you kind of learn to live with the joys and pains of life, y'all. Can I get a witness to that? Everybody knows about them joys and them pains, baby. Put your hands together, y'all. Get down.
Owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So Joe brought us his bike. He had a specific sound that he was looking for. Went to a few other shops. They couldn't give it to him. I think we did. We had you the sound you wanted, Joe?
Yes, sir.
You completely happy with the work?
Excited.
Thank you, sir.